What's good, y'all? Y'all swing by and learn podcasts and have cool discussions.
Hey guys, come on down to our digital design this week. We'll be using After Effects to create planets. See you there.
What's up, guys? For this Drop the Mic, we're gonna be having you come showcase your talents. Come on by, show us what you got.
Hey guys, in this Let's Play we're going to be playing Apex Legends. It's a new game that came out, probably better than Fortnite. Come down and let's see what you got.
Hey guys, come by this record label workshop where you can learn some recording techniques to help with your new song, mixtape, or album. Cause like, your songs are pretty fire, but they're not there yet, you feel me? So like, you know, come by, record label workshop.
Hey, what's up everyone? So come down to our film crew workshop where we're gonna be learning about camera movement. You won't wanna miss this out. I'll see you guys there.